I wish I also had a YouTube channel. I'll start it from tomorrow. Will definitely start my YouTube channel from tomorrow. I will definitely start my YouTube channel on this weekend. I should start it on a Monday. It should be a fresh start. It was such a hectic day. I can't start it today. I'll start my YouTube channel from tomorrow. Guys, don't be that guy. If you're watching this video, take this as a signal from the universe that you need to start your own YouTube channel in 2023. You must have heard this statement from a friend or a colleague. Google it. But nowadays it's changing it to YouTube it. If you want to cook lasagna or palak paneer, people do not say Google it anymore. They say YouTube it. You want to learn how to tie shoelaces or do something in plumbing, YouTube it. You want to look good or just entertain yourself, people say YouTube it. And that's why YouTube is the second highest search engine in the world. And at the end of the video, I have a small surprise for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2023. So first thing you need to create a YouTube channel is a smart device. It can be a laptop or a cell phone, and I'm assuming that you're watching this video on YouTube, so you have either of them. So if you're on a laptop, just go to youtube.com and the page will open like this. Click on the top right button, sign in, and then this page will pop up. If you already have a Gmail account, then enter your credentials, and if you don't have a Gmail account, just click on create now. Now you can select whether you want to create this for your own self or for your brand, but don't worry, you can select either of these depending upon your situation and then change it later on also if you want to. For now, I'm gonna select for personal use. Type in your first name and your last name to create your Gmail account and create an email ID that you want. So I'm gonna type here fianshu.sharma@gmail.com just to check if that's available. That's not available, so I'll have to change to something that's available. And if you have a common name like John, Ramesh, Suresh, Dave, then you will also need to try multiple times till the time you get the email ID that's available, or you can just be creative. Gmail is also going to suggest you the available names that are there. So it's showing me Fianshu Sharma 31 or S Fianshu or Fianshu Sharma 512. And finally, when you have got the name you like, you can choose your password and confirm it, and then just click to next. Now you can verify your phone number, and then Gmail will send you a one-time OTP that you have to enter so that it's verified. Then the next page will pop up. Here you can choose your recovery email address. If you already have a Gmail account, or if you have your friends or somebody's, or your wife's, your partner's Gmail account that you want as a recovery email, you can type that here. And if someday in future you lose the access to your account, that recovery email address would help you to recover it back. Select my birth date, 21st October. You can wish me on that day, and you can select your gender. Click on next, and I've just clicked on yes, I am in. Then read the terms and conditions and then click on I agree. The exact same thing will be on your cell phone, so you don't have to worry. Now congratulations, you have created your first Gmail account, and now you are signed in YouTube. So now you have to click on the top icon on the right side, and the option menu will pop up, create a channel, and then you can select your channel name as well as your handle. So now let's talk about what does handle mean. It's an easier way for the users, for your viewers or your subscribers to jump or to come to your channel. youtube.com/Fianshu S or youtube.com/@FianshuandKirat. It can be anything, you have to see what's available. And I'm going to choose my handle Fianshu S because I think that fits perfectly. And now I'm going to upload a profile picture. You can choose it from your cell phone or your laptop. Select a picture that you like and then frame it accordingly. There you go. Click on create channel, and congratulations, your first YouTube channel has been created. If you are being a good student, I would like to show you the next step so that you can also learn how to upload a video, but this is just a trailer. So just click on upload video and then select a video that you want to be shown on YouTube. That's how you upload your first video. So now let's come to the surprise I was talking about earlier in the video. So after creating your own YouTube channel, what you have to do is you have to come and comment your channel link. Why should people subscribe you and what your channel is all about? What I'm trying to do here is I would want my viewers, my subscribers to support each other and become each other's subscriber so that the community can grow. By this initiative, I believe that a lot of people can actually explore new channels. A lot of channels can get new subscribers and viewers, and by that you get the boost to upload more videos. Also, as promised, I'm gonna answer a few questions from my previous videos, so do not forget to write your question in the comments. So let's take the easiest question first, and this is one of my favorite questions. My wife, my partner used to ask me this question all the time. Why will people watch me? What different should I do in my videos? The answer actually lies in your question. Why will people watch me? The answer is it's your story. It's your life. You don't have to do different things. You are already different. Your hobbies, your personality, your life, your parents, your friends, Your experiences are all different. It's your life. So if you're thinking to start your own vlogs, then you're already different. You just need to present them. You don't have to do something out of the box when you're talking about vlogging. You just have to present yourself in the genuine manner. And talking about how to make your vlogs perfect, trust me, vlogs cannot be perfect because our life isn't. But you can definitely make your editing process a little closer to being perfect. So that is something that I would want you to focus on. Rather than thinking that you should do something different, I would like to say you are already different. We as individual human beings are very different from each other, so you don't have to worry about that. The next question is, I already have a YouTube channel, but I'm not understanding what content to put and what will give me views. I'm shooting with my smartphone, Oppo ka purana model. Is that sufficient? The answer is big time yes. It is sufficient. It is more than sufficient. As long as the camera is working, the microphone is working, you're good to go. Once your channel starts to grow, you will realize on your own that you need to improve here and there. But in this starting, whatever you have is more than enough. So don't worry about it. Let's talk about what kind of content you should put. And here are kind of similar questions. I'm also going to put the screenshot on the screen. So the answer to these questions will also be the similar one. Honestly, because we are not celebrities, we are not that famous, not everybody would want to watch us. So firstly, you'll have to keep something in your mind that what kind of content people would want to watch and what is something that is suitable or relatable with my personality. And then you have to come up with a combination of both. And then the next question would be, will you be able to do this in long run? Yes or no? When you get the answer to all these three questions, that's your answer. And on that topic, you should start making your YouTube videos. If you learned something new from this video, please show your support by liking this video, by putting a comment down below, sharing it with your friends and subscribing to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Priyanshu Sharma.